I've got Jasmine with me and the boss. First thing we're going to do is check out the little fairy garden. Hi everyone and welcome. So today we are here at the Califat Spinney. It's the site of the former Collerton Colliery Company No. 2 mine, comprising the Califat and the Alabama shafts, and the location of the Califat mining disaster of 1863. So the first thing to show you is these beautiful art that's been made by, I'm assuming, some kids. And then got this lovely little garden here, so we'll have a walk around. So this is a tender scheme winner, Orbs Wood. The idea of planting trees across 200 square miles of Leicestershire, Derbyshire and Staffordshire to regenerate the area blighted by the coal and clay industries. I've got Jasmine with me and the boss. First thing we're going to do is check out the little fairy garden here. Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Some fairy houses, look, painted stones, look, Jas, painted rocks. What does it say on there then? Black fairies, ye dancing spirits of the pitties, help them hold and drive sharp their picks, and their mandrills keep away. A lot of the signs have been pulled off, by the looks of it. So we'll keep walking up, man.
There's no man.
Oh look, they've uncovered something. Oh, so this is excavations of the coal mine and buildings in this area.
You can find a bench, Jazz. Okay to see. Oh, this one, look, this side. Yeah. Yeah. It's found a member and president is remembered here.
Oh, that's really cool. It's got an arrow for something, more fairy houses. Oh. Erected by Swanton Heritage Trust 2001 to the memory of the miners who died as a result of the breaking in of water. So yeah, this mine was only in operation for like 18 years. Looking at this, it's interesting old bits of structure here. That's obviously part of the mine. Interesting. The bench is dedicated to, in the memory of Dick Thompson, founding member and late president of the Leicestershire Industrial History Society. There's a weaving frame here, look, with the weave sticks in. You see? Yeah. It's an arrow pointing up as you're going around. You doing your name on it, Jazz? Create stone art.
Don't forget to say hello to the gnomes, play hopscotch and try out the percussion instruments. Who is looking after the library?
What is it?
Owl.
An owl.
The next one's on the main task.
Arrow, look. Jasmine, follow the arrows, look.
You photo. You stand this side on the photo.
Lots of names. There's lots of names here. That's a really cool little garden, this. Really cool. Sandpit.
Yeah. What? Have you got anything?
Don't know what it is, but it's a flag.
Okay, put the flag in then.
A hedgehog over there, look. Wooden one, not a real one, in case you're wondering. Yeah, don't fall in the hole. Here's a few more excavation works of the area. More things down here. Puppets. Jazz, puppets. It's more of the works that they're doing. I've locked it all up though, I think. Is it locked up?
No.
Yeah, it's padlocked. So still part of the mine. Oh, we've seen this lot. Stone for someone. George Brooks. 1934 to 1998. Friend of the countryside and his fellow men. We have found the musical instruments. Bing, bang, bong. Alright.
Bing, bang, bang.
It's here, look. Here's the clanger. So that brings us to the end of the walk around the Califat Memorial and Fairy Garden. I hope you enjoyed it. Please go check out my friend who is a Platinum member, and then head over to my playlist and check that out, and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thank you and goodbye.